In Chapter 7, we're going to talk about personal budgeting. So we're going to start just about preparing to make a budget. Um, so we're going to look at what income you might make and what it might cost you to live. And you obviously want to make sure you have enough money to pay for everything, and making a budget or an estimated plan of what you're going to be taking in and what you need to spend is a really good way to do this. So this is a budget is just a balanced statement of projected income and expenses. So here's the things you have to consider. Your income. Okay, so first, is it regular? So is it the same every week or does it change? So variable income is where the amount changes over time. It's not received on a regular basis. So commissions, tips, or piecework. It might also be variable depending on your job as well. Okay, and your expenses, which ones are recurring and regular? So, for example, car payments or rent are recurring. These are things you have to pay every month, and they're going to be the same amount every month. And which ones vary? So, for example, buying clothing. Now, one day you might go out and you need a new pair of jeans and get a couple of hoodies or something, and then you don't need anything new maybe for a couple of months. So you might spend a lot one month and nothing the next. So what are some possible unexpected expenses? So there could be an emergency vet bill. Other things can come up. If you have a car, you get into an accident, that could be other unexpected expenses. And so we got your income, we got your expenses, and then your savings. And what do you want to save for? So it's important to have money saved up so that you've got it in case you need it. And also, are you saving for something? So maybe you're saving for a trip, maybe you're saving for a car, maybe you're saving for a down payment of a house, maybe you're saving up for retirement. But what are you saving for? So again, recurring expenses, they occur on a regular basis. And then you've got varying expenses as well. So let's look at the first example. Just make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so we've got Janice. She had the following income and expenses during the past month. Identify the income and expenses and classify the income as regular, variable, and the expenses as recurring, variable, or unexpected. So she's got her paycheck. It's $500. I'm going to assume that's regular. It's not, tips or anything like that. It's just she's getting 500 bucks every paycheck. Her gas bill, well, that's $34.86. This is going to be something that's recurring. I'm going to, actually, that's a good question. That's probably gas for her car, in which case that could be variable. See, I was thinking a gas bill as in your electricity, but that would be a little low for that. So it's probably gas for her car, so that would be then variable. So she might spend more on gas one week and less on the next. Cell phone bill, $42.89. That's going to be recurring. It's likely not variable. That's probably what she's paying every month. There might be some extra charges on there, but generally that's what it is. New boots, that's going to be variable. And I see I skipped over here. Why do we have paycheck twice? Oh, this is for a month, so she got paid every 2 weeks. So we can see she gets paid $1,000 a month, so that's regular. So she got her paycheck again. Oh, look, there it is. So new boots, the paycheck again, so that's regular. Birthday gifts from grandparents. Well, that's going to be variable. Her grandparents might give her $100 every year, but she's not going to get $100 every month, certainly. Car loan payment is our next thing, $275. Your car loan, again, is going to be recurring. New hard hat for work to replace lost hat. Well, that wasn't really expected. She didn't expect to lose her hat, so that's an unexpected expense. And eating out, that would be variable. It's not like she didn't expect to eat out. It's probably not saying, well, $25.78 every time I eat out. That's going to change depending on where she goes and what she decides she's going to eat that day. So Again, regular, something you can see, that's her regular paycheck. She's getting $500 every paycheck. That's not variable. That's the money from grandparents. That's going to be variable. The gas, like I said, gas for her car is going to change depending on how far she's driven. Cell phone bill, probably the same thing every month. New boots, well, she's not going to buy new boots every month, so it's going to go under your new clothing. Car loan payment, recurring. New hard hat, replace lost hat, not expected, unexpected, again, eating out variable.